Hi, I am Roxana from WP Estate, and in this video I will show how to clear database from your WpRentals website. This video is useful if you already imported one demo and you change your mind and want to use a different one. You cannot have two demos imported at once, and to import a new demo you will need first to clear database. On this domain I have one of the solo demos imported, and to change this demo with a different one I will show the steps that you need to take to clear database. I will go to admin. The first step is to go to WpRentals license and deactivate the license from your site. So I will click deactivate license. Once you do not have an active license in your site, you can proceed with the database clear. The second step that you need to take is to install the third-party plugin for clear database, which is the WP Reset one. You will need to go to plugins, click add new, look for the WP Reset plugin. This is the plugin that you need to install. I will click install now and I will activate the plugin. The third steps that you need to take is to deactivate the theme core plugin and replace the WpRentals theme with a WordPress default one. So I will look for the WpRentals theme core functionality plugin and deactivate. I will go to themes and activate a WordPress default theme, and now I can proceed with the clear database process. I will go back to plugins. I will look for the WP Reset plugin. This is the one. I will click open WP Reset tools. I will scroll down to the site reset section. I will tick the option to reactivate the current theme, and here I will type reset. I will press reset site button, reset WordPress. You will need to be aware that on reset you will lose all current content, including users and the settings that you made so far. In users you will only have the user that made the reset. Next I will go back to themes and activate back the WpRentals theme. I will activate back the theme plugins. Once you enable Elementor back, you'll have this. You will need to close it. And now on front end all demo content was cleared. After the reset you will need to start over and activate the theme back and proceed with the demo import that you need. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.